the most frustrating things that can happen as a business owner is when you lose track of something super important. Whether it's a meeting you forgot or a document you misplaced, mistakes like these can cause a ton of unnecessary stress and headache. Hi, I'm Melissa St. Clair, Chief Worker Bee at Paper Chaser Biz, and today I am going to be sharing my top 7 tips to help you keep track of the little details in your business. Number 1, organize your passwords. If you're like most people, you handle your passwords in one of 2 ways. Either you use the same password all the time for everything, or you're constantly forgetting passwords for each site you set. Neither of these are ideal, as using the same password is not very safe, and constantly forgetting passwords is a huge headache. A great way to deal with this problem is by letting an app remember your passwords for you. You can do this automatically in a browser like Chrome, but this isn't completely safe, as anyone who has access to your computer can see your passwords. There are, however, a ton of apps out there, like LastPass and RoboForm, that will generate secure passwords and remember them for you. These apps also have incredibly high security, so you know your passwords are safe. Number 2, tame your email inbox. If your inbox is overflowing with unread emails, it can be very frustrating and becomes very easy to lose important emails in the flood. You'll be more successful with your small business if you take a little bit of time to regularly clean out your inbox. I just did this. You can create folders for important emails, delete ones you no longer need. This way you won't get overwhelmed every time you open your inbox, and all your emails are safe and easy to find. Number 3, use only one calendar. A lot of business owners will have different calendars for different things. Whether that is one for personal, one for work, one for a client, one for your own business, having multiple calendars can be very confusing, and it makes much more likely that you will miss something. I recommend consolidating all your calendars down to just one. If you're maintaining one person's schedule like your children, you can color code the events to record information for each family member. This way, everything is in the same place and easy to see everything that's happening on any given day. Number 4, make notes on your calendar events. One of the best things about using an online calendar is that you're able to add a description to any event. Use the descriptions as little reminders for yourself. Is there something you have to prepare for the meeting? Something you have to buy before the party? Whatever it is, make a note of it in advance so you can stay on top of your tasks. Number 5, keep your computer's desktop organized. Just like your physical workspace, your desk should be clean in order to help you stay organized and get work done. Your digital desktop should be organized too. Use folders in groups, and every now and again, take a quick look to see if you can delete anything. This will not only help you stay focused, but make everything easier to find. Number 6, keep track of notes in the cloud. A lot of business owners will write their notes, to-do items, ideas, contact information on scraps of paper, whatever's closest, whatever's at hand. That can easily be lost or damaged. It's much safer to keep these online, and while they can not only not be damaged, they're much easier to find. Use a note-keeping site like Evernote or Google Drive so your notes are safe and easily accessible. Number 7, improve your contact management. Managing customers, leads, payments, key information is a constant challenge, and that can cost you sales. That's why a CRM or customer relationship management app like Monday or Keep are a lifesaver in growing your business. They help keep all the information in one place, and some even help you with your email marketing. So if your business is at the point where you are struggling to keep track of your leads, look into getting a CRM. That was my top 7 tips to help you keep track of all the little details in your business. If you like this and want to see more content from me, then make sure to subscribe, as I will be posting new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.